Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how do you trade cards on Monopoly Go. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up Monopoly. So once you've logged into your account, what you're going to do, you're going to need access to the album option here in order to access the cards. But to do that, there's a requirement that you need minimum 15 net worth points in order to access the album. So if you don't have those 15 points, all you have to do is just have to keep playing until you get that 15. So like mine here, see, I don't have it, so you just have to play and unlock it. So once you get 15, you'll be able to unlock this album here. And then all you have to do once you have done so, just hit on the album option there once you have unlocked it. So click on album, there you will be able to see cards there. So once you access to those cards, you can just choose any cards there and then select it and then share it with any of your friends there. You will get a list of friends that you can share it with, and you just have to use that and then share it with them. So that's how you can trade those stickers. So that's how it is done. So I hope this video is helpful to you all, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.